Hello and welcome to the Spring Harvest Skegness Video Diaries 2023. We have just arrived on site.
It's raining.
It's very wet. And they've got a new play park there, which is
definitely going to go on later.
massive. We're going to go on that later. Just walking off to have lunch, and then we're going to go and have a look at the venue, so we'll catch you there. Give us some thoughts on your food.
Yeah, it's supposed to be garlic chicken, chocolate garlic chicken.
It's nice.
I ate mine.
Okay, so it's quite loud in here, don't know if you can hear me or not. This is the rose pear juice from last year. Still very good. We have a new addition this year, which is the pear and lemon cooler. So I'm going to give that a try now. Very light and refreshing. Slightly less sweet than the OG rose pear. I think I like it. Hello, Emily and Amanda, checking in from the prayer room. How have you found setup?
Good, yeah. I got a bit tired at one point and a bit hungry, but we're good now. We've been fueled.
We are all good.
Yeah.
So we're going to take you on a little tour of the prayer room.
It's great.
So you walk in, you have the prayer map there to pray for the world, and then you have a place at the table where you pray for everyone to feel welcomed. Then you come to the casting crowns space where you cast your idols down and focus your eyes on Jesus and the names of God. And you come here to Why Worry and our Be Still space. And you move around, you've got the prayer wall, space to hang artwork, and a place to give what little you have to God and to see what He will turn it into. And here you have our little creative station to unleash your inner child. And then we have the prayer spaces in school sections. We've got the sorry cards, forgiveness rocks, praying for refugees with refugee rucksacks, big questions, a classic, letting go, and then a little calm space here as well, before you finish with being thankful. So that is our little prayer space, and there is Amanda.